Dr. Christensen from Christensen Family Orthodontics. I just wanted to review with you how to turn your expander. So this expander here, yours may look a little bit different, but the concept is still the same. All right, so you could see here that there is a hole in the center. What you want to do is place the key into the hole until it's all the way inside. And so what you want to do is push the key all the way back until you find a new hole and jiggle the key out and take it out of the patient's mouth, and you could see that there is a new hole that formed in the same spot where it was previously. Common issues that arise are that patients accidentally don't place the key into the hole. They miss it and place the key in other areas. The best thing to do to figure out if you're in the hole is to try to wiggle the key back and forth. If it is in the hole, then the patient's head would also move. Also, sometimes what happens is you may not push the wheel all the way back, and so if you take it out right then there isn't a new hole in that area that you had placed the key previously. And so it's very difficult to find a hole in the center now. But what you would have to do is find that, push it all the way back until the new hole forms there. Another issue is that I see is that if patients push the key all the way back, but as they're taking it out, it's a little difficult. So they kind of undo the turn as they're pulling it out, like so. Then again, that keyhole is not in a great position, or you might have undone the entire turn. So just things to watch out for. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you could call our office at 559-261-2055. All right, have a great day. Bye.